XRP sees massive price jump. As XRP sees massive price jump, but do you know how XRP has grown? Many experts predict that XRP's prices will surge to outperform even Bitcoin, and XRP is gonna take home its throne as the leading cryptocurrency back. Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we are going to talk about speculation mounts around XRP. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. You guys will be surprised to know that Ripple's XRP surged as much as 70% as the third biggest cryptocurrency extended a rally that has been kickstarted by mass interest in Bitcoin. Ripple's price has risen about fourfold since the start of the pandemic, making gains alongside Bitcoin, which rose 4% to a near all-time high of $19,241. Well, according to me, it's a massive jump. XRP has been a speculative investment for a long time, said Michael Anderson, co-founder of DeFi venture capitalist Framework Ventures. There have been many partnerships announced, but few practical applications. The top cryptocurrencies have gained price momentum over the last week. Ethereum had gained 30% and Bitcoin by 8%, but XRP has led the way with a 70% jump. Bitcoin's rally this year has been partially driven by its touted status as an inflation hedge, which in turn could be spreading to other cryptocurrencies. Investors pouring into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and other cryptocurrencies are looking to capitalize on a central bank rush to digitize currencies. Specifically, the European Commission, ECB President Christine Lagarde, has previously said the bank is seriously considering a digital euro. The name Ripple plays a dual role as both payment exchange and a currency. Ripple designed XRP with the chief aim to perform speedy, inexpensive, and more scalable alternative transactions that make it extremely useful for payments. Ripple case took a new turn. Speculation mounts around XRP after the SEC v. Ripple case took a new turn. Ripple has engaged in a fierce legal battle against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The financial watchdog claims the distributed ledger startup co-founder Chris Larsen and CEO Brad Garlinghouse sold unregistered securities worth $1.3 billion. In attempts to determine how much money Larsen and Garlinghouse had obtained from the sale of XRP, SEC's lawyers sent subpoenas to 6 different banks asking for the executives' financial records. Ripple, in response, filed a motion alleging that the regulatory agency was wholly inappropriate overreach. Interestingly, Magistrate Judge Honorable Sarah Netburn denied the SEC access to Larsen and Garlinghouse's personal banking records. She affirmed that obtaining such information was not relevant or proportional to the needs of the case. The SEC has not presented any evidence the individual defendants have hidden transactions or the documents produced to support an inference of hidden transactions. The SEC's belief that the individual defendants' banking records might show evidence of a speculative transaction that could have occurred is not a foundation on which to order expansive discovery into personal financial accounts, said Judge Netburn. The ruling in favor of Ripple was well received by investors who seemingly rushed to exchanges to get a piece of XRP. The spike in buying pressure saw the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization rise nearly 38% in the last 24 hours. Despite the significant gains already incurred, one of the most prominent analysts in the industry believes that XRP has more room to go up. The XRP price jumps over 30% after another SEC motion in Ripple lawsuit. XRP could go a boatload higher. According to 40-year trading veteran Peter Brandt, XRP has broken out of an inverse head and shoulders formation that developed on its weekly chart since May 2018. After moving past the pattern's neckline at 65 cents on April 5th, the altcoin surged by a whopping 120% to recently hit a new yearly high of $1.41. Further increasing in buying pressure around the current price levels could push XRP's price by another 160% to a new all-time high of $3.55. Regarding the optimistic outlook, Ripple's legal uncertainty suggests that anyone trading XRP should keep tight stop-loss orders to avoid potential risks. Global banks are cooperating. There are discussions and pilot projects with Saudi Arabian and UAE central banks, projects with the Bank of England, and others. Ripple is also set to partner with more European and Latin American banks to help promote both XRP and Ripple's payment technology. These developments could lead, as the experts above pointed out, to big price rises in the XRP token price. So this means the Ripple price predictions should go the positive way. The partnership with central banks, financial corporate giants, and banks all point towards Ripple's innovative technology and the possibilities it may bring to these businesses. However, it is the possibilities bit that is the problem and might have a negative impact on the Ripple price predictions. The professional experts above all pointed out that trials and pilots are a great way of displaying potential. It could change the way we all use bank transfers. But unless it actually changes something, it hasn't been disruptive enough. Crypto is meant to be disruptive. It is meant to smash the centralized banking system. With no major changes, Ripple's value could suffer. Reason behind that massive price jump. XRP is quite different from other cryptocurrencies in many aspects. Let's talk about its few unique properties due to which it sees massive growth. XRP is the only digital asset specifically designed for financial institutions and payment providers, and is the most scalable digital asset. It acts as a bridge between fiat currencies. Ripple is committed to solving these issues with cross-border payments and create an internet of value where we move money as efficiently as we exchange information. Our solution involves creating a common standard for payments and using XRP as the digital asset that will bring together currently disconnected ledgers and blockchains. Bitcoin can process up to 7 transactions per second, any of which can take more than 2 hours to clear. Compare that with a traditional payment service like Visa that averages 2,000 transactions per second, and you can see that Bitcoin does not have the scalability to meet typical customer demands. The XRP ledger is where XRP transactions occur and are recorded. It is an open-source code base that is supported by a community of trusted validators and a team of full-time engineers that actively develop and maintain the ledger. Since day one, we've made the XRP ledger more resilient and resistant to a single point of failure by decentralizing it, a process that continues today. Bitcoin is a mined digital asset, meaning that new coins are constantly created by huge data centers processing complex math problems or proof of work. This inefficient system demands massive amounts of electricity. The cost of producing one coin could power 3.67 US homes for one day, and has been called unsustainable. XRP is not a mined digital asset, so every single unit of the currency that exists now has already been created, with most owned by Ripple, 55 billion of which was placed in escrow, and the rest held by companies and individuals. XRP is the future. It's a question of when, not if. Banks and other financial institutions begin using digital assets in their day-to-day business operations, and it will be interesting to see who the winners and losers in the digital asset space will be. We're confident that XRP will succeed because it has a purpose: enabling financial institutions to send money across borders quickly, cheaply, and easily that is relevant to businesses and consumers everywhere. There are different ways to buy XRP depending on who you are. If you're a financial institution, it's best to contact Ripple directly. If you're an individual investor, you've got many ways to buy. You can visit any one of the digital exchanges that lists XRP and do it that way. Do you guys want to add more to it? Let us know about your thoughts in the comment section.